Levi, is this grass? Is this what grass looks like? Is this aerated grass? Go check out the backyard. Those are wood chips. You've never seen them before. That's Dusty. That's your neighbor dog. Can you tell everybody what a good boy you were? You didn't get sick on the car or anything. There's Quinny. Flower bed. Checking it all out. This is our first trip into the backyard. What a sweet boy. He's home. Oh, we love running and frolicking. Yes, we had a good trip. We came from Prescott to Colorado Springs, and then from Colorado Springs to Lincoln today. Yes, it's the day before Easter, 2014. He's striking a pose for you. And I have a feeling that drip station is gonna be history. Enjoy it, little man. Enjoy it. Welcome to Nebraska. Yeah, that's my man. Bravo used to chase gophers up that gutter. Fast as lightning.